Hi there, mga beloved ng soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Taro Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Taro Channel. May kami kay shoutout po sa lahat natin soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating pinakamalan na sa sign of Virgo. I know, Virgo people, you're now so excited. So, sige po. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po, nakaresonate po kayo, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-subscribe. Please do like, comment, and share. And of course, if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po. And mag-ingat po kayo sa mga scammer na nag-offer po ng private reading. If you want to avail a private reading, kayo po yung una mag-chat po sa akin at hindi po ako ang una mag-chat po sa inyo. Doble ingat po sapagkat na may mga nanggagaya po ng ating page, nag-re-upload ng videos. So, kayo lang po ang mag-chat po sa akin sa TikTok account natin, Renzo Taro 444 sa 9K followers and counting po. Okay? So, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Virgo. Kunin na natin ang 10 cards for your general reading. So, sige, ayusin natin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please. Saint Michael for Virgo. Thank you so much po. I hope you're doing great. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Thank you so much. Inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi nyo ko iniiwan. Last 3 cards for your Virgo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Virgo, your 10 cards are now ready. So, wag natin pang patagalin pa ito. Alright. Virgo, for your first card para sa iyong general reading. Oh, this is interesting. Tuloy-tuloy na talaga, Virgo, yung recovery. In terms of finances, so I can feel her, Virgo, na alam nyo talaga yan. May improvement. Hindi pa naman totally solve ang lahat in terms of financial problem, but at least there's a big improvement that is happening on your way. So, i-claim mo nito sapagkat I can feel an energy of recovery talaga. This is a total recovery. Lagi ko itong sinasabi sapagkat I know it. Nakikita ko or I can feel it with the Virgo people that after all those struggles, after all those past painful experiences that you've been through, this is the best time na bawiin mo ang lahat. Okay, so through all the opportunities and blessings na ibubuo sa ng universe, i-claim mo na to, but I can see her improvement, a big improvement and growth in terms kung pera ang pag-usapan para sa inyong mga Virgo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pangalawa, okay. So, this six of Pentacles, Virgo, is very it's not timely, kumbaga natural na ito. Hindi na ako nagtataka dito. The good thing here is you should be thankful to universe, to all the blessings na matatanggap mo. It's because, sabi ko nga, sa lahat ng recovery, sa lahat ng growth, improvement na marireceive mo in terms of money, you really needed it. Kasi nakikita natin dito, maraming umaasa sa'yo. You're a breadwinner family, ikaw yung tumutulong sa pamilya mo, kahit may pamilya ka na, what I means like mga kapatid mo, nagpapaaral ka, lola mo, mga magulang mo. It seems that all of the responsibilities are on your shoulders, especially kapag pera pinag-uusapan dito, Virgo. Ikaw talaga yung pinagkukunan, ikaw yung source ng money or ng expenses sa bahay, or even other people, nakikita ko tumutulong ka pa nga sa ibang tao, labas na sa boundary mo or sa line ng ng circle mo. Okay, Virgo, so that's why I see it na talagang you truly all deserve all of these blessings that is coming on your way kasi Virgo, napaka-linis, napakaganda ng puso mo, lalong-lalo nakikita natin dito ang dami mong tinutulungan. Okay? So, with the Justice card here, so expect resolution, expect fairness, expect clarity with all the things na parang gumugulo sa isipan mo lately. Maaaring may mga bagay kang inisikaso, may mga bagay na gumugulo sa isipan mo kung ano ba, masusolusyonan ba ito, or any problem that had arise for the past weeks, past days ahead. With the Justice card here, Virgo, so I'm telling you na expect growth, expect clarity with all the things, gagaan, mabubunutan ka ng tinik sa mga issues, sa mga bagay lately na parang naging malabo, na parang hinarap mo, but now there will be clarity. Sabi ko nga, meron na talagang resolution dito. Matutuldo ka na ng lahat na ito with this Justice card and you can move on now. So Virgo, tuloy-tuloy na talaga ito. Pang-apat mong baraha, sabi kaya, tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-move on mo, ang pag-move forward mo, healing, recovery. So the Chariot is here. So I can see very kung may mga plano ka mag-travel this year. It's like, to unwind, to regain the energy that has lost with you. Ang tagal mong panahon na nag-deal ng mga problema. Now, you truly deserve itong vacation na to para makabawi naman ng energy, ng time, ng effort na nawala sa'yo sa kaka-handle o kakaayos ng mga problema na pinagdaanan mo lately. And with the Chariot card here, so sabi ko, expect total move forward. Move forward ka talaga in certain position, maybe from a position before na puro failures, puro disappointments, and puro mga frustrations na naranasan mo, betrayals, pagtatraitor, mga sakit sa damdamin na naranasan sa mga taong you thought will people that can help you, na pagkakatiwalaan mo, but nakita mo kung ano yung sinukli nila sa'yo, but still, Virgo, you need to pick up the pieces of your life and stand again. Do it with flying colors, because I know, Virgo, wala kang problemang hindi kinakaya. And with this chariot card, this is a confirmation from the universe that your life will be moving forward, will improve, there will be growth. Talagang you truly deserve all of this recovery na mararanasan mo. Okay? So, naganda ng mga cards natin. Look, so Virgo, there's a help. Help is on the way. May taong hindi mo i-expect na maring lumapit sa'yo para tulungan ka, or baka merong iba dyan na dumating na ito. This is a surprise person na maaring, aside from literal help na kumbaga ibibigay sa'yo, it's like a kind of help na for the long term. For example, trabaho, maaaring pagkatiwalaan ka ng business idea, business opportunity here, or maybe, a job offer, pamamahal, or something like an offer or help that is coming on your way. So, play mo na ito. This is for the betterment of your life, or the improvement of yourself, Virgo. So, expect na mas marami pa, hindi lang isa, in the upcoming weeks and months. So, there are a lot of people that kumbaga kilalang-kilala ka talaga, na muling ibabalik ang tiwala nila sa iyo, Virgo, after all of these disappointments that you've been through. Okay? So, Virgo, before we proceed to our last 5 cards in general reading sa ating second row, ulitin ko, please do subscribe po pag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, and please follow our TikTok account. If you want to avail a personal reading, please kayo po, ulitin ko po, mag-ingat po sa scammer, sapagkat hindi po ako yung unang magbe-message po sa inyo, kayo po ang magbe-message po sa akin. When nag-re-upload po ng videos ko, please doble ingat po kayo. Sa Renzo Taro 444 TikTok account ng legit po with 9,000 followers and counting. Thank you so much po, ha. So, sige, Virgo, para sa iyong pang-anim na baraha, there's a good news here. This is victory. Panalo ito. Kumbaga, meron kang isang bagay na mapapagtagumpayan, meron ka talagang masusolusyonan. So, there will be a kind of thing na talagang ito yung sumasagabal sa ito yung matagal mo ng sakit sa ulo o problema. But I can see here, it is about money. You want peace of mind. You want to settle everything na related sa pera. So, but with the 6 of Wands here, Virgo, believe me, everything will fall into place for you. There will be solution, there will be help, there will be a lot of opportunities na parating sa'yo para masolusyonan mo na itong problema mo sa pera. Okay, with the 6 of Wands here, this is good news, this is victory, success, tagumpay ito para sa'yo. Claim natin, Virgo. So, oh my God. Sorry. The wheel of fortune will be turning in your favor. Ruleta na kapalaran. May blessing, may sorpresa, may swerte na parating para sa iyo, Virgo. Okay? So, this is the reward. Ito yung kabayaran, ito yung kapalit na blessing ni universe sa iyo. After all of this, struggles, after all of these responsibilities. Kasi Virgo, nakita ko nga dito na sinabi ko na maraming umaasa sa iyo, marami kang tinutulungan. Despite na kahit wala ka na, naubos na ang lahat sa iyo, but still, you continued helping others, especially your family. Nakikita ko talaga dito, parang dati, parang nagsiself-pity ka, bakit puro ako na lang, bakit parang ganito yung kapalaran ko, ako na lang lahat ang inaasahan, ako na lang lahat ang magbibigay, wala nang natitira sa akin. But sabi ko, di ba, advice ko sa inyo lagi, that's a good problem, kasi may kapalit lagi yan. Maaring mapagod ka physically, mapapahinga mo yan. Maaring mawalan ka ng resources, mahahanap yan. But the blessing behind, nakapalit nitong pagtulong mo na bukal sa puso mo, yan ang magiging magandang bagay na parating sa'yo. And with this wheel of fortune, so this is a confirmation talaga na all of your hard work, all of your sacrifices will be paid with a lot of blessings, with a big and massive, extraordinary blessing that will give you also the happiness and peace of mind na talagang matagal mo nang gustong makamit. Okay? So, wow, Virgo. This is really an amazing reading. So, pangwalo. strength. You don't need to worry. Huwag ka matakot sa araw-araw na pagkikibaka sa buhay, Virgo. The universe is telling you that you are being guided. Sabi ko, Virgo, you're divinely protected. You're a karmic sign. Hindi papayag ang universe na, kumbaga, lagi ka na lang aapihin, lagi ka na lang matatalo sa buhay. Lahat ng itong nangyayari sa'yo, sabi ko, it's just a preparation. It's just a test by the universe. But, sabi ko nga, ulit-ulit na lang. Kaya, kahit ikaw, every time na dumarating ang problema, it's not surprising to you at all. Kasi nga, alam mo na, mas marami pa, mas malalaki pa before na nalagpasan mo. With this strength card here, you need to move forward, focus on your goals, okay? Be strong, be brave. You don't need to worry, wag kang matakot, wag kang mangamba. Tanggalin mo lahat ng mga doubts mo sa sarili mo. Hinahanda ka ng universe sa isang path, sa isang journey na talagang dito ka aligned. Ito yung talagang dito ka magiging masaya. Ito yung pangarap mo. Believe me. With the Wheel of Fortune here and the Justice here na katapat ng strength, malalagpasan mo lahat, masusolusyonan mo lahat ng mga problema or even makakamit mo lahat with the Chariot card here, lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo. Just need a little bit of patience. Of course, samahan ito ng faith and hard work. Believe me, Virgo, that was the best combination na talaga magagamit mo para mapagtagumpayan ng lahat ng ito. 6 of Swords. Chariot ang katapat. The cards are very clear that you will be moving on. May paggalaw talaga, may pag-alis sa isang sitwasyon na hindi talaga masaya para sa'yo. Okay? Bit-bitin mo lahat yung mga swords na yan. Painful experiences. Virgo, wala natin magagawa sa mga bagay na yun, nangyari na yun, hindi mo na kontrolado. The good thing here is paano mo aayusin mo ang sarili mo. Paano ka muling tatayo at babangon. Okay? So I can see here that slowly, take it easy, one step at a time. Malalagpasan mo lahat. Paano ka mag-heal, paano ka mag-move on kung hindi ka kikilos, kung hindi mo sisimulan. Okay? With the Chariot card here, so there's a movement. I guarantee you, may paggalaw talaga sa position mo. From a certain position of disappointments, takot, pangamba, uncertainty, to a movement of position wherein there's an assurance of good fortune, happiness, blessings, abundance. Okay? 10th and last card. Mo, Virgo, para sa isang napakagandang general reading. 2 of Cups here. The cards are very clear. Ang katapat niya ay 4 of Cups. May tulong, may partnership talaga na parating para sa iyo. May taong darating talaga. Sabi ko nga, kinonfirm ko, look at this one. There's a help coming on your way. May taong ipapadala sa universe para matulungan ka, muling makabangon, masolusyonan mo ang mga konting problema mo pang hindi pa nasa-settle. And this help, sabi ko nga, itong tulong na ito talagang malaki yung itutulong nito sa buhay mo in the kind of life na muling pagsimula mo sa buhay. At tuloy-tuloy na ito, believe me, with the Chariot card here, with the Strength card here, hindi ka papabayaan ng universe, Virgo. The Wheel of Fortune is here, and dito yung blessings, kapalit lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa pamilya mo, pagtulong, lahat ng ginagawa mo may kapalit. Stability in terms of finances, there's good news, wish fulfillment, prayer being granted, good news, victory is coming on your way, Virgo. I-claim mo na to. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Virgo. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang tiwala suporta. I hope and I pray na marami na sa inyo, Virgo, mga para dito ngayon. Thank you so much, ha? Hanggang susunod nating pagkikita, maraming salamat. Nasaan mo kayo naroroon, ano man ginagawa nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi, mga pinamahal kong Virgo na soulmates. God bless us all.